Hi viewers, welcome to Pebbles. Today I am going to show you how to make a designer rakhi easily. Let's start. Take a canvas or a cardboard cord like this. Apply glue at the center and paste a round shape head cap. At the top of it apply glue and paste white color half pearl, big size pearl. Apply glue around it and paste a small size head caps, flower shape with head caps around it. Paste around it like this. And now after pasting, again apply glue at the center of two head caps around it. Apply glue and paste orange color drop shape kundans, big size kundans. Yes, I have pasted. Now let it dry. Now take a white color stone chain apply glue at the center and paste it in between two orange color kundans. Paste it around the shape. Wrap the thread. Take a 30 to 35 rounds of thread. Apply glue at the corner. Insert a small size pearl into it. Now a golden ball. Second, insert a gold ball. Again a gold ball. First I have inserted a white pearl, 3 golden balls. Next a stone round shape material. Again a 3 golden balls. At the last I have inserted a white pearls. Similarly on the other side insert like this. First a white pearl, 3 golden balls, then a round shaped stone material, again a 3 golden balls. At last insert a big size white color pearl. Now we have inserted on both the sides. At the center apply glue. Take a stone lace and remove a stones like this. And now at the center of all the flower caps, paste the stones at the top. Apply glue around all the caps and paste one by one. And that is golden color stone lace. And now we have made a center part of Rakhi. Apply glue at the center and paste the thread on the top. And now take another small size canvas or cardboard sheet. Apply glue and paste at the back side of our center part. And now we have made a Rakhi very easily. If you want, make a knot on both the sides like this, so that your pearls will not come out. Again on the other side. Okay, you can also try this. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe, peoples.